Hello everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Technology. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about stack abstract data type, which comes under the subject of data structures and algorithm. Before moving on to the topic, we have to know about what is meant by stack ADT, why it is calling as ADT. A stack is an abstract data type that represents a collection of elements with a specific behavior. It is following last in first out, which means that which element is on the top will be deleted first. Let's move on to the topic. And it is the one of important fundamental data structure concept which comes under the linear data structure. It is following the principle of last in first out. Let's we move on to the concept and what are the operations comes under the stack and how it is implemented using another linear data structures like array and linked list. And the formal definition of the stack is operating on last in first out principle. The item is added on the top is always deleted first, which means deletion and insertion will be performed at the top end, and the pointer on the stack will always pointing out the top of the element which is present in the stack. Let's we move on to the operations on stack. There are five operations are available under the stack. The primary operations and the secondary operations. The primary operations are push and pop. Push is nothing but insertion, which is inserting an element into the top of the stack. Then another one important primary operation is pop. Pop is nothing but deleting an element which is present in the top of the stack. Then next secondary operations are isEmpty. IsEmpty means how to check if the stack is empty or not, which is empty means it will return the value as 1, otherwise it will return the value as false value, that means 0. Then the next secondary operation is isEmpty. If you want to delete an element from the stack means first you have to check whether the stack is empty or not. The stack is empty means it will return the stack is in underflow condition. How to check the isEmpty function. Then next to secondary operation is peek. That means it will return the top of the element in the stack without removing that element from the stack. And the main difference between the peek and the top pop is the pop is delete top of the element and it will return that to the user. But in peek, without removing the top element, it will just return the top of the element. There are three main reasons are available for this top access. First one is restricted the access pattern. It only access the top element, and it will also gives the simplification of the design of linear data structure, and it will guaranteed to give the best time complexity, which is always gives big of 1. Big of 1 means the top element will be written first always, because this time complexity is lesser than other data structures. Then there are so many applications, real-time applications are available for stack operations. In our day-to-day life, we are using deck of playing cards and stack of books on your desk. Then undo functionality in the software, browser back button history is the some real-time examples for stack operations. And it will also help in the computer science applications like function call management and used to convert an expression from infix to postfix. And the third one is postfix evaluation, and how to check whether the given expression is valid parenthesis or not. These are the four applications of stack in the computer science fundamentals. Then it is also having some of the limitations like no random access, because the top of the element only accessible by the user, and it will limited in the built-in search. Then the powerful simplicity. Then why we are learning for stack is essential building blocks. It is a fundamental component of computer science in the education, and the elegant problem solving, and gateway to advanced concepts like parsing algorithms, recursion, and memory management principles. Thank you for watching.